Okay. Okay, all right. So now check this out. We are here in Little Elm, Texas, where they're literally building a community within a community, outside of the community. That ain't why this video is being brought to you. This video is being brought to you because we have a Sequoia that me and Jamel worked on. Now notice, we got it right. She has a backup camera. Okay. Now I did Instagram this truck last week with the remote start, so we really don't have to get into that. Now what else has been done is we have what we call push start, and we also did the Apple CarPlay by Pioneer IDA200 whatever. Just Google CarPlay Pioneer. All right. So now as we get inside the truck, okay, you will notice this is not factory. This is aftermarket. Okay, wouldn't cap that off. All right. So I'm gonna hit the button one time. Everything comes on. Radio, nothing else. Bam, in business. All right. It's a customer phone. Okay. And all that is good to go. We have the backup camera. Oh wait, let me turn the car on. So I'm gonna hit the button twice. Everything comes on. Okay. Turn it off. Vehicle. Waiting for everything up to load again. And it's not 218. Alright. Alright, so we got that. So there's our backup camera in motion. Alright. I'm not going to back up because I'm in the garage. And we don't want to hit nothing. So I'll put it back in park. So as you can see, everything comes up, nav, messages, phone, what have you, blase, blase. And, oh, give y'all something to laugh at. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna talk to Siri. Where can I get some Chinese spare ribs? Let me see what she say. Come on, girl. Where can I get some Chinese spare ribs?
She don't want to talk to you.
She don't want to talk to me. That's just great. She don't want to talk to me, so what that's about. Alright. So the same way I turn it on, turn it off. Goes off. Alright, so this radio pretty much mirrors everything that you have going on the radio. So there you have it. Push and start with the remote start with the CarPlay. I said it. We did it. You got it. We're done. Chinese spare ribs. Chinese spare ribs. Auto impressions. LTD. We hot.